Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're having a fantastic Sunday and that you've had an amazing weekend. I wanted to come live to you guys real quick. I just swung by the office here, Gary's Pool and Patio on 281, and I wanted to give y'all a nice little friendly reminder that we have some pool options that can be installed, fully installed, for under $25,000. So I'm going to flip this around because I actually have one out here today that I can give y'all a little peek at. Okay, so under $25,000. In fact, this line of pools, the Agui line, comes in 6 different sizes. They are all rectangular. I am short. I'm going to peek over here, but as you can see, really attractive pools. In sizes all the way up to a 13 by 26. So my 13 by 26 in this pool can actually be fully installed for just under $24,000. So $23,995 fully installed. And we've got 4 out of those 6 options as far as sizes that can be fully installed under $20,000. So I know a lot of people have been looking at the options of getting a pool in their yard, especially with everything going on right now. COVID has definitely increased everyone's time they're spending at home, which, can be a blessing in disguise because we are getting a lot more family time. But a lot of people want pools in their yards because what family doesn't like swimming together and enjoying all of this beautiful, sunshine and Texas weather that we have, perfect for swimming. So just a lot of people don't realize that there's an option for a fully installed pool in this price point. So while we have pools that get, installed at a lot of different price points, this one under 25 is a really, really cool option. So I just wanted to give y'all a little friendly reminder. I'd love to give you more information if you've got any questions. Just hit me up 210-834-7054. I'll see you guys soon, and I'd love to help you get swimming. Bye.